Alright, so I guess we'll talk about the bangs we cut today. Are we on? Hello everybody. This is unit number 316. It is a beautiful 16-inch kinky straight, and we just cut some slight layers and curled it. We probably curled it like 2 weeks ago, so this is kind of how the curls will fall out. And then by customer's request, I cut some bangs right here, as you guys can see. So when you shop with us here at Magic Hair Company, we will add any of these customizations, as in adding layers. We can cut bangs into it. We'll style it and add some cards. We're currently open here in Culver City Tuesday through Saturday. Yeah, let us know how we can help you. We are your custom glueless, full lace, and front lace wig provider here in Culver City. Right now we are currently open by appointment only. Sorry guys, I gotta put my clothes on, you know. We have a lot of people stealing our images on the internet, so a lot of times you guys will see me now with my Magic Hair Company sweater on that looks like this. We'll have sweaters and shirts available on our website soon. And my mask, I get a lot of questions about it. My mask is from Stair Fashion over in Ladera. Let me put my wig on. You know we have the best glueless wigs here. Our wigs are really easy to put on. Let me just throw this on real quick. I meant to put it on before we jumped on camera, but we've had a busy day. Don't forget guys, make an appointment with us. Should we come over here so you can see this? This is wig number 385. If anybody who's wondering, it's a 10-inch. Has a little bit of custom color in it. It's one of my favorites right now. I literally just throw on my wig and go, just like this. All of our wigs are glueless, and there you go. So it's as easy as that to get your wig on from Magic Hair Company. So if you're looking for a glueless lace wig supplier, here we are.
Lift up a little bit more.
And I don't have my mirror over here, so hopefully it looks great, but that is how you put on a glueless wig from Magic Hair Company. This is wig number, is it 385 or 285?
3.
I think it's wig number 385, so if you like it, go on over to our website, magichaircompany.com. We can definitely customize any of these wigs for you. All of the wigs you see here, we did all the custom colors online. Let us know if you guys have any questions or want to know the wig numbers. We are having a blue collection come out next week. We have a few purple wigs, purple, lavender, all of those purple families. Of course, we have our red collection, and we do, of course, have some braided wigs. So if you guys like some braided wigs, we have these available here. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, and you can see a lot of the different color selections, length, textures, you name it, we've got it. And we're definitely open here in store. Right now, we do prefer that you make an appointment. That way we can really give you the one-on-one wig shopping experience that you deserve. Here we have some of our 14-inch wiggies. And don't forget, guys, pick up our hair care product line. We have our keratin shampoo and conditioner. Here's some of our wigs here. Do you guys have any questions about the wig number? How much is what wig? I do see your question, but I'm not sure which wig you are referring to. And to maintain your wigs and extensions at home, definitely use our keratin shampoo and conditioner. It's available on our website and it's available in store. And we also have our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, which is exactly what you need to hydrate your curls and waves. Everything on our website right now and in store is 20% off for the month of January 2021. We want you to go into the new year with a great quality human hair lace wig. We of course have some jet black curly in stock, and we have regular jet black as well. We have more from our red collection. This is a 20-inch silky straight. And yes, guys, we do have more of this kinky straight. So if you saw our first wig in the video, this is the same texture, except for we customized the color on this. So if you're looking for something with a really, really natural texture, check out our kinky straight and our yaki straight wigs. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are just wrapping this up today. We wanted to show you we are here. We are open in Culver City. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, for all of your custom wig needs and wig maintenance needs. We got you. Yes, we are Black owned. My name's Shanice. I'm the owner right here. This is my baby. This is my business. I've been in business for a little bit over 10 years now. So if you want a wig, get it from us. We're a Magic Hair Company where we're changing lives. One custom wig at a time. We have different payment options available. We have quad pay available, and we do prefer that you make an appointment right now. So just go to our website, use the chat feature, and make an appointment to come on in so we can get you in the wig of your dreams. Subscribe to our newsletter, like, comment. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.